So we're filming a disgusting YouTube video with a long frozen turkey as our flesh and bone surrogate, and it has been thawing since when? Last night?
Mm-hmm.
So we're going to try to hang this guy up against this tree trunk style target so I could chop it with a stingray, and maybe even throw the stingray at it. Wouldn't that be cool? But how do we secure this turkey to that tree? We think we got some ideas on that. All right, check these hooks out. So we've got the quill, and this is called a Kaginawa. It's a hook on a rope. It's made by Rulas Tools. He calls his product the El Gancho. And I acquired this Kaginawa recently because I was curious about, the everyday carry utility of carrying a hook on a rope. And today, a Kaginawa came in handy. So here we have a turkey carcass I've been needed to film using the Stingray tomahawk on it, and we needed to suspend it on this tomahawk throwing target because we were throwing a tomahawk at this thing. And here you go. It's a 2-fluke Kaginawa design. This is just a roughed out prototype. But yeah, some cordage going down to a stake. If you guys are interested in an everyday carry Kaginawa, let us know. Comment below. Something we're thinking about. Be edgy.